National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, East Central Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Northeastern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Gallatin, Lebanon, Springfield, Ashland City, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, La Vergne, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Coopertown, White Bluff, Belmead, Kingston Springs and Lakewood. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.